audience, what was your movement for 6? The answer.
Kicks. Okay, kicks.
Oh,
Kick.
you remember. All right. 10 plus
5.
10.
20.
We didn't do 0, 0 with jump like a hero. So if we wanted to have other types of activity, we could do that. 11 minus 3.
8. Great.
So we can use these in different ways. The other thing that we haven't done is you can use a lot of manipulatives that you already have. Rolling dice, where they have to solve a problem. They can have addition, subtraction, so there are things that you could do with that. I believe we're doing the multiplication hip hop number 4. Oh, some people have felt that the music for, if they have older kids, they want something a little more mature. This is two guys out of New York, and we don't sell this music, but you can get it by looking at their website, and it goes to Amazon or it goes to or a couple of CD companies. It's called Sing the Number 2 Schools.
Sing
So we're
to
going to
schools.
go to hip-hop songs, I think it's in 4s off of their CD. And if you have kids that you think are more urban, that would like more pure hip-hop, you can use it.
Gotta have her down like she walked in again.
4 times 1 equals 4 times 2 equals 4 times 3 equals 4 times 4 equals 4 times 5 equals 4 times 6 equals 4 times 7 equals 4 times 8 equals 4 times 9 equals 4 times 10 equals 4 times 11 equals 4 times 12 equals
Those people that are standing right here, just move off your mat for a second. We're going to do a little different configuration. This is going to be the beanbag. We have 5 beanbags. So we have, get into groups of approximately 4. Get in a group of approximately 4.
People, if you guys sit down, want to get up and participate, you...
We can have more than groups of 4.
Yeah, we can have more.
So we'll get those out of the way. All right. This is one group. Please come stand in a line behind me.
We have to go over
We're
there.
going to read.
Yeah, come over here. Oh, here's a little relay.
Okay. Is that one? All right. Oh, so you got the win, right? Stand in a line like behind. It doesn't really matter how many people. You're going to go to that mat. You're going to go to that mat, and you can have 3 or 4 people in your group. You're going to this one. Now, adults, no cheating. All right, now, we're going to show you with this group how it works, okay? Now, we're all going to just pretend there's a line right here. And you have to decide how coordinated your kids are. So whether you're going to let them toss or whether they have to run it back. But we'll show you the truth. You're going to try to throw on the highest number that you can. So just give a gentle toss. Now, she got a 3. You yell to your group, 3! 3! Come running to get it. I come running to get it. Now, you guys will let you toss. Toss it back to the next person while you go back and get in the line. All right? Oh, 0! 3 plus 0? 3. 3. And that happens to everybody. It happens to everybody. All right? See? 0. 3 plus 0 plus 0? 3. 3. Oh, 9! So 9 plus 3? 12. Come together. Now, let me just show you with this one. If it was to have done like that, you get the highest number.
Or you get the number you need.
Well, what we're going to do is you're going to try to get to 50, but you can go above 50. We're going to give you about 30 seconds to see how well you do. Does everybody understand?
Do they have to call out what they're adding?
Yes.
They do.
And what we'd like, anybody willing, you can actually keep a team's points if you want.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was just no, it's okay. We have a little relay check. So, would you like to keep theirs, just to double check? if you would keep group 1.
Group 1.
Come over here, sit right over here. You can keep group 2. You're going to do 1.
Yeah, do this one over here.
You want me to do group 2?
Well, that chair, you're going to do 2. If you could do 3. There's no one there.
I have a question. When the second person throws, do they have to say the sign?
What's that?
When the second person throws, they say their number. Do they have to say
Yep, you're just keeping track of them. They don't have anything to do with that. They got to track on their own.
They're calling it out, not right now. They call out. Okay.
And you're adding for them. So you make sure that they draw it right. They yeah. Because they're adding wrong. Yeah, that would be good. I'd say stop, think about it. Yeah. But we did 2 more people.
And you're counting this group. All right, now, it's really up to you to count. These are just checking. All right? And I didn't bring my timer. Anybody have a stopwatch or a second hand? Anybody have a second hand? Barbara, can you tell us when to go? 30 seconds.
Okay.
30 seconds.
Wait, we're to go for 30 seconds?
Yes.
Okay. And your mark, get set, go.
Hey.
Oh, shoot.
5. What do we do? 30.
20. 9.
No more talking. All right, now, you have 10 seconds to talk with your team to figure out how you can improve the score that you have currently. But first, tell your timekeeper your score to see if you got it right.
30.
30?
Correct.
All right, did you strategize? Yeah. Come up with a plan.
On the line, they take the higher.
They take the higher one, yep. This is good, right? Good, heck yeah. Gotta apply it to middle school, then.
Everybody, starting over.
We can do square root. Yeah. With 2 homework.
So I'm getting out of the way.
Are you guys ready?
They're gonna continue.
Go.
It's underneath? I think. Are we counting that?
5.
Two. They're trying to make it to 50. You guys are trying to make it to 50. Trying to make it 50. Yes, you got it. That's it, right? That's it. The goal is to make it to 50, right? That is the goal. You don't want to go over, right? You go over. Okay.
How many?
I have a corner on 7.
Did you notice the noise level? The excitement level, the smiles, the heart rate up, it's all good, right? How many improved your score?
Well, I counted up. I kept going. Were we supposed to start over? That's what I thought too. You got to 55, actually. Oh, you could take the difference. I think it's 34.
Here's what we're going to do. One last activity.
No, they didn't do as good.
Being backed up. You can also do subtraction. You can do multiplication.
21.
Your group is to think of a game using the beanbag.
With the math?
With the math. See if you can figure out a game that's a variation of that does some of the math concept. I want you to try to figure out the game. You've only got about 1 minute.
Multiplication problem.
With the beanbag and math.
We can throw 2 bean bags and do the square root. What's the good numbers of the square root between?
You guys out there, see if you can think of anything. I heard someone talking about the square root. It would take a while to go.
I was also. I was thinking do similar kind of thing.
All right, go ahead and try to play your game. Try to play your game and see how it works. We have to together make a
Five.
We were working together as a team.
Start with a given number, like 30. And
What do you think? Mine is 5.
That would be good. One, that is one.
Yeah, sure.
35.
Okay, I'm gonna stop you.
Okay.
I'm gonna stop you. Now, group 1, if you could come and explain your game to us, if you would. Group 1.
We just thought that we could mix the letters in so you could do a long word or a short word, but we said we'd have to spell math and you have to hit the letters in order, so.
So you got your literacy and your language arts and that in. Very good. Group 2, what was yours?
We did subtracting instead, subtract from 50.
Subtract from 50.
It's a 0 first.
Very good.
We did where we had to work as a team to make 10. So
You had this row, so you got the 10
all together, yeah.
all together.
we worked 2 games and we got the 5.
So you threw the 2 and then you had to multiply them. Okay.
I had someone over here say square root.
Yeah,
What
I
was
said
your
maybe,
idea?
throw 2 bean bags and then you could say the square root of that number is between what 2 whole numbers.
Oh,
I mean, 'cause
okay.
we're doing Pythagorean theorem and all that stuff.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good. Any other ideas out there? Anybody have any other ideas?
I was thinking that they could multiply, they could throw it twice instead of once and say the product, and someone has to keep a running total of their score versus another team.
Oh, yeah. So there's all kinds of things you can do. And I've been to many schools working with kids, and they all love the relay. They all love it. Now, we're going to transition to put out some other math. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to these are just a few worksheets that we have, and I'm going to give them out to some of the people that are here. And then I would like you to go back and sit down around a group of people, and you guys partner up also, just to look through them while we transition. So it'll take us a little bit of time to get the clock maps out.